Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we've got a 2013 Ford Fusion, and on this Ford Fusion we're going to go over how you would replace this camshaft position actuator. So to start with, you're going to have to remove the valve cover gasket to be able to get to this bolt that holds this in. And so you might as well, or not the valve cover gasket, you need to remove the valve cover, and so you'll need a valve cover gasket and this to be able to put to fix this. So you're going to loosen this bolt here, which is a size 8. And pull that out, and then you would just pull this actuator straight up, and then when you've got your new one, you take it and you put it back in right there, line the bolt up. There's also this seal that you would have to buy, which is the actuator seal that you would buy and put back on top there. And so you'll need this seal, and you'll need a new valve cover gasket when replacing. Just good and snug, and that has been tightened down. And that's how you replace your cam position sensor actuator on your Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.